loves, welcome to a mini makeup haul. Okay, it doesn't look that small, does it? But I promise there are not a lot of items here this time. It's not a long video, but it's really worth watching because there are some new ones that I cannot wait to share with you, and also there are some old ones that I have repurchased, some all-time favorites, which I think is also a topic that's important to cover because everybody's always talking about the new releases, which is fun and interesting, I admit that. However, some oldies but goodies are also great to cover every once in a while, and I feel like I hardly talk about them anymore, so let's go. Let's start with something which is new, not just for me but for everyone, and these are the new Yves Rocher pencils from their Flowers in the City collection. The colors are really fun: turquoise, teal blue and hot pink. They are automatic, as you can see, and they are the ones that I'm wearing on my eyes today. And also today I'm filming a review on them because I already had a chance to test them, so I don't just have the first impressions opinion, I already have an opinion on how they perform, and I will tell you more. I will show you all the swatches and all of that in the review. But I also wanted to show you that when I got these eye pencils from Yves Rocher, they also gave me some gifts with the purchase. And so they gave me the samples of their new skincare line. The line is called Filler Végétal, which is plant filler basically. And here we have the plumping night care, plumping serum, and plumping day care. Honestly, I normally don't switch my skincare because I have very sensitive skin, so I just use the same two creams over and over again. However, I do love small samples like this. Well, first of all, it never hurts to try, like once or twice. And second, I go to the swimming pool regularly. I'm a swimmer, in case you didn't know. And it honestly is such a hassle to take, this big tube of face cream with you every time. So I really love when they come in these small tubes. And I really don't mind something a little more oily after the swimming pool, because after the pool with all the chlorine, the skin always feels a little dry, even though my skin is more oily than dry. And so I think these work just great. I just love when they give gifts with purchases. I don't know if they do that like the same thing in every country, I'm not sure. However, usually Yves Rocher is very marketed in the sense when you get something like, especially, several purchases at once, they almost always give you something as a gift, which I think is super nice. And they also gave me this mug, which is not exactly beauty related, however, still cute, which is the reason why the bag is so big. Now, the next purchase we got is something that is not exactly a new release, but this is a new product for me, and this is the NYX Lift and Snatch for the brows. This is a brow marker, and this is my first ever brow product. Specifically for the brows. I did, use makeup on my brows before, but with different products, because usually, guys, I do not do anything to my brows. Like, they're pretty full on their own, and besides I have a fringe, which often makes my brows itchy, and so basically if I apply anything to them, it just turns into a mess. So hopefully this one is sturdy. It was on sale, and I finally decided to get it. So this one is Lift and Snatch in black. Like, it has this thin tip which is drawing like super thin hairs, which is mimicking them. And before you know, all these beauty gurus gather there and say, no, Julia, you need to match your hair color with your brow product, not your eyebrow color. Even if your eyebrows are black, you should use brown. Okay, maybe they don't talk like that, but you know what, guys, no matter what beauty gurus say, anyone, me included, if I'm a beauty guru, I don't really know, there is no right or wrong way to do makeup. You just do it the way you should. Like, the only right and wrong thing to do is hygiene, so like taking care, sanitizing the products, washing the brushes, etc. But other than that, the way you apply your makeup is totally up to you. And I think, for me personally, the color of the brow product really depends on the technique. So the reason that beauty influencers usually tell you to match your hair color rather than your eyebrow hair color is if you use a pomade or a pencil and basically you fill in all this area, if it is way darker than your hair color, it's just gonna look unnatural. So if you were going for a natural brow look, which once again should not always be the case, maybe you were going for a natural, right? But just if you were going for something natural, and if I filled in, for example, all this area with a black pomade and my hair color is dark brown, it would look unnatural, like it would be obvious that I did something to my brows. However, this thing here with the thin tip, it's mimicking the hairs, and I feel like in this case it should match the colors of my eyebrow hair, which is black. Because I don't fill in all this area, what I basically did was just, you know, painting a few hairs here and there, because as I said, my natural eyebrows are pretty full and I don't want to change the shape or anything. So I just mimicked my eyebrow hair, and I feel like black is the right choice for me. Next, an oldie but a goodie, I bought this pencil as a backup. This is Kiko Lasting Precision eyeliner, and this one is in the dark purple color. The number is 05. You can see the color right here, and let me just show you a swatch of the pencil that I'm already using, of my old one, so that you can just understand what the color is like. Here we go. It's a dark cool purple, a matte color. It's really pretty. I use it all the time and it lasts really well on my oily lids. Like, maybe it's not the best of the best in the lasting power, but it's really good, and the price is honestly quite good as well. And next, I also repurchased the NYX eye pencil, the NYX Epic Wear Eyeliner Stick. NYX Epic Wear Eyeliner Stick in Turquoise Storm, and this, as you can see, is a teal color. I wouldn't exactly call it a turquoise, well, though maybe you can, I guess. And once again, I have my old one, and I will show you the color. So this is a bright teal. It's actually a little bit brighter than it looks here, and it's a metallic one. It's honestly a great pencil. It's so pigmented, it lasts so well, like really well. It also can be worn on the waterline, and it kind of stays there. I mean, it doesn't stay there for a whole day, because nothing stays on my waterline for the whole day, so just, you know, it's not like this pencil is bad, but it really stays there for some time, which is already a great result. And I feel like, yes, I have mentioned NYX Epic Wear eyeliner sticks a few times. I've also filmed videos on how to sharpen them. However, I haven't been talking about them for a while, and they are great. They are great. If you're looking for a colorful eye pencil, just do look into these. I've tried maybe like 10 colors already from them, and all were great quality. All the colors, all were pigmented, all were smooth, all were lasting well. I just, you know, I can't get enough of them. Okay, that's it for the haul. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that more people can see it. And I feel like I arranged my haul really beautifully in this mug. Okay, it's not probably gonna stay this way. However, it was just a fun thing to show you, and make sure to subscribe, because I will be reviewing these Yves Rocher pencils in the next video and telling you and showing you everything about them, the swatches, the colors, how they stay, how to sharpen them, etc. And in the meantime, check out this fun playlist. I'll see you there. Bye!